In case you notice that your computer has been running slow lately and its performance is consistently decreasing, then perhaps it is time to consider clean it of junk and other obsolete apps that are clogging the resources. Windows Repair Toolbox is a lightweight bundle that provides you with an extensive set of tools to help you monitor, clean, enhance, tweak and repair broken processes that make your system sluggish. The setup is as straightforward as it gets, especially since it entails decompressing the archive in any desired location on your hard drive. You should make sure that you have free space, as the tool creates a special folder to store the applications that you are downloading. While it is not exactly impressive, the GUI is clean and displays various tools well organized based on the primary function they are developed for. Therefore, you can choose between different hardware monitoring, backup and recovery, repairs, uninstallers, Windows enhancement solutions and other tools that help you configure the behavior of your operating system. If you have reasons to believe that the sluggishness of the operating system is due to a virus infection, then you will be happy to learn that the app provides you with several solutions to remove Trojans, spyware, and other malware. Once you have removed the problematic viruses or pups, you can verify whether the operation has affected the integrity of the files that have been corrupted. Then again, if you are not happy with the apps recommended, then you can also add your own programs by following the steps indicated in the Custom Tools tab. All things considered, the utility packs several tools that can help you clean, maintain, repair, create backups and other software solutions that can help you keep your computer running optimally and smoothly. See you next video, and now some music.